The most exciting day in sports!
It's game time
With the best recipes
the best fuel
and the best grill.
It's time for the big game
At the
recteq.
Are you prepared for the big game? Because I've got a recipe that is going to knock your socks off. Pow Pow Shrimp. It's so good. All right, let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our glass bowl and we're going to put our shrimp in there. We're going to slide our shrimpies in. Perfect. Now we're going to take a little bit of this sesame oil, about a teaspoon. We're just going to pour it over the top. We're just going to make sure that these shrimp are well coated in the sesame oil. Now, these shrimp have been peeled and deveined. We left the tails on them. I like to leave the tails on them because it kind of gives you a little place to hold when you eat these shrimp. Super perfect. All right, so now I'm going to be using that Ben's Heffer dust, often imitated, never duplicated Ben's Heffer dust. It's a perfect blend of salt, pepper, paprika. Now, once we got these nice and seasoned, we're going to go on my favorite accessory at recteq. It is that non-stick grill mat. I'm just going to go ahead and lay these things out. Delicious. Now, we're going to bring these shrimp out to the RT340. I have it set at 500 degrees, and I'm burning the Kingsford Classic Pellet to give me that bold, spicy, delicious flavor that Kingsford's known for. All right, let's head on out to the grill. All right, America, look at how delicious these shrimp look. We pulled them right off of the RT340. They cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. I had it set at 500 degrees, burning the Kingsford Classic Pellets because, you know, they get the job done. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to set these to the side. And we're going to start on making that Pow Pow sauce. I've got a new clean glass bowl. To this, we're going to go ahead and start adding all of our ingredients. So we have that Thai chili sauce in the bowl that goes. Then we're going to go ahead and hit it with whatever your favorite hot sauce is in the bowl. The rest of that sesame oil, that crushed red pepper flake in the bowl. Our mayonnaise. It's going in. Now we're going to need the juice from 1 lemon and 1 lime. That's right. So we're going to go ahead and just slice this. Give it that kung fu grip. Perfect. Now for the lemon. Give it that kung fu grip. Perfect. So now we're just going to whisk this together. That smells so good. Just incorporating, making sure that mayonnaise incorporates well. Now we're going to season with some raw Screamin Pig. It's got hints of cayenne, paprika. That's really going to balance this Pow Pow sauce right on out. Perfect. I'm just going to whisk. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and dip these shrimp. I love Pow Pow Shrimp. This is a go-to for the game day appetizer. If you really want to blow your family and friends away, go ahead and hook them up with the Pow Pow Shrimp. All right, so now this is why we leave the tails on there. So we're going to take our shrimp and we're just going to dip them into that sauce all the way up to the tail. And then we're going to place them straight on our dish. Ooh, yes. You could put this sauce on anything you like, any seafood you like. You could put it on fish, any kind of white fish would be delicious. You could put it on scallops, it would be delicious. But guys, this was so easy to do, and it will be a game changer for the big game. Make sure you guys are following recteq and Kingsford's YouTube page for awesome content like this and so much more. Cheers, America. That's delicious. Guys, these shrimp came out amazing. Sweet, spicy, delicious flavor. A hint of smoke from those classic Kingsford pellets. I mean, it was delicious. Game changer right here. We'll see you guys at the recteq. Jody, Greg, come get some shrimp.